agreed to collab with Viva, and of course, nasa GMA ka pa rin. Itong pagpunta mo sa Viva, ano to? Anong mas naiisip mo? To be known as a solo artist or to have a new love team?
Hindi ko naisip eh. So ngayon actually isipin ko siya sa question mo. Siguro solo artist. Pero if again, sabi ko nga what works, kung ano yung mag-work, I'll accept it, let's see. Diba? So again, it's part of the business.
Okay. Upon listening dun sa mga answer mo regarding the love team with Barbie, I'm sure yung mga fans nyo would like to know ano na talaga yung status yung dalawa. I mean, are you still a love team? Are you still going to push through with that path? Or the love team has ended? Ano na ang status? And, ayun, yun muna.
I'm not so sure. I'm not so sure actually. I think at this point, we are going solo. As you can see, like, kaya naman ako nandito, di ba? Also, Barbie's doing her own thing. I mean, ang dami niyang ginagawa ngayon na mga projects and I'm really happy for her. Really proud of her kasi yun naman talaga yung gusto talaga niya gawin. Ako naman, I'm doing my best also, di ba? I mean, it's new for me. Like, yung last show ko, I was with Jillian Moore. Hindi naman si Barbie kasi hindi naman si Barbie Forteza yung kasama ko. So, yeah.
But off-cam, how are you and Barbie?
Okay naman. Yeah. I think we're okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Civil, I guess.
Kasi napaisip din kami dun sa, sususugang ko yung question ni Kiko kanina, yung dun sa naging statement niya dun sa nakaraang press con niya regarding his new leading man. In a way, parang it was compared to the past leading men na as we all know, isa ka naman talaga sa naging known ka-love team niya. So parang naging dating, may problema ba? May naging hindi ba okay between dun sa journey nyo as a love team? Parang gano'n.
Ano ba yung paano sumagot ng showbiz, no?
Hindi ka na mag-showbiz para mas maganda.
Well, totoo naman kasi si Karil, napakabait naman kasi talaga niyang tao. Kahit ako, gusto ko talaga siya na tao. Like, he's a friend of mine. Pag nakita ko siya sa gym, I really talk to him. We talk for like maybe 15 to 20 minutes, di ba? And he's really a nice person. Kaya, for sure, yun din naman talaga yung magiging perception ni Barbie of him.
Nagulat ka rin.
Na ano?
Yung sa ganong statement.
Alin doon?
Na parang with Galil, siya yung pinakamatinong leading man. Ka-love team.
I mean, if that's her opinion, then, diba? It's okay. Yes. If that's your opinion, it's okay.
Ayun, may phone and question dito. Ito na lang. Kung sa tingin mo naman daw, syempre ilang years din kayo, 3-4 years, di ba? And masasabing successful yung love team ninyo naman. Would you say on your part, naibigay mo naman at naipakita mo naman yung best mo as a leading man or as a love team with Barbie?
Maybe not perfect. Diba? There were times na I was late in taping. Diba? Pero as tumagal yung love team, and honestly now, I don't get late anymore. And as tumagal yung love team namin sa pinagsamahan namin, hindi naman ako nagiging late. Diba? So, I would say yung pagiging late, yeah. I mean, in terms of like acting, I'm okay naman, I guess. And may awards naman ako, so
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay. Thank you, David. One last na lang, may pa to. You as a person and as an artist, kasi known ka namin na talagang into business ever since, di ba? Ano ang mas lamang sa'yo as a businessman or as an artist?
Actually, ba may mga nagsasabi nga sa akin na parang showbiz is like pastime lang daw. Parang, I don't get it, you know. My life is like 70%, 80% showbiz. Diba? So I really don't get that. I don't get that statements, you know. Maybe nonchalant ako. Hindi ako yung mga typical artist na parang, hey, you know, like, uy, hindi ako ganun eh. So, hindi ko lang, I guess I'm just being myself. Diba? Kung hindi gusto, kung hindi siya pang showbiz, then, nasa kanila na yun. Diba?
Okay, thank you and good luck.
Alright,